simple 1.5 quick video AC compressor. Gotta take the front cap off, whole bumper. Once you take that off, you gotta take everything right here, the little radiator support, top bracket, with the hood latch and all that up, so you can get a little wiggle room. Then you kind of see where you at. Got one screw, on the lines for the compressor. Got two screws that are really easier to get from the bottom than the top. The really only thing you really had to take this front stuff off of for is one top screw and the screw that mounts the line onto the bracket. So that's how that turned out. It got one stud screw in it that you can get the bolt off of it, but you probably won't be able to get the compressor off of it. I ended up having to jack the motor up. I thought I was gonna probably have to take the mouse loose, but I didn't. Jack it up enough to get the compressor, the bottom of it to hit like the subframe, trying to slide it off that stud. And once I jacked it up and pulled back on like the radiator and everything, I got it to slide forward enough to come off that stud. And of course you gotta come on the side here, take the belt off, the tensioner right here. Once you take the air box out, you'll see it just got a 3/8 size ratchet size hole in it to release the tension. Push it back towards the car to release the tension. It's kind of what this one was kind of tight. I had to like put a little breaker bar on it to get it to move. But after that, you get the slide off. Wiggle that at the bottom. And that's that.